A report was written. Nobody took it very seriously. The next day, the stock market actually crashed. In February 2026, a small research firm published a prediction. Their claim was simple. Artificial intelligence would very quickly take away the jobs of high-paid office workers. When these people became unemployed, they wouldn't be able to pay their mortgages. When mortgages exploded, banks would be shaken. When banks are shaken, the stock market would crash. The report spread on social media within hours. People sent it to each other, discussed it, shared it. And what's interesting is, even though it was just a prediction, the S&P 500 index actually fell that day. So a group of people thought something like this could happen, and that thought alone moved real money. We can compare this to a rumor of a fire in a crowd. Even if there isn't a real fire, someone shouting fire will actually send people running to the door. Panic is a force in itself. It can produce results even if they aren't real. So, was the report right? Experts are divided on this point. Some argued that this scenario was exaggerated, that AI wouldn't eliminate jobs so quickly and en masse. But others said the report wasn't entirely wrong, just that the timing was unclear, because in reality, small parts of what the report describes are already happening. This year, more than 100,000 people in the tech sector lost their jobs. CEOs of some large companies are openly stating that they will downsize their workforces in the coming years due to AI. So the report wasn't entirely a figment of imagination. It described an existing trend in a very accelerated and dramatic way. The real question is, was this just a one-off bizarre day, or the first example of a pattern we will see again and again in the future? Because now, a piece of news doesn't need to be true. It's enough for millions of people to believe it simultaneously, to move the market. From now on, what you need to watch out for isn't the big headlines. It's the small but real signs. Which companies are laying off how many people? Which sectors are halting hiring? Because if a truly big wave ever comes, it will probably start quietly, little by little, not with a report.